In order to patch a trailer wall, you'll need a few things. First, you'll need a trailer, you'll need a hole in a trailer, you'll need a rivet gun, and you'll need a piece of metal, aluminum, or something that's not gonna rust that you can use to patch it with. In my case, I have a big piece of panel that I got from a local trailer shop. They gave it to me for free. I got a longer panel, so I cut this out specifically for this size, and you can probably go around and ask in a trailer shop if they can sell you a piece or give it to you for free if you know them well, or even just get a piece of metal or aluminum sheet that will not rust through and that will be somewhat sturdy. This one is actually meant for this. It's the same material they use, so this is gonna fit perfectly, but like I said, you could use anything else and also make sure it looks pretty. So this is a white color, and it will be noticeable, but it will blend in. So let's get to it. When working with this kind of material, make sure you use gloves because you can scratch or cut yourself very easily. So this is highly recommended that you use quality gloves, not some cheap thin gloves. Try to get thicker gloves that will actually protect your fingers and your hands. I'm gonna try to cut out some of this metal here and try to flatten it up a little bit so it's not in our way. If you try to flatten this down and it won't go in, all you have to do is cut it out because you're going to be covering it anyway. So make sure it's flat, it's not sticking out when you put that piece of metal on top, that it's not pulling it out, or that there is no bump. So it has to be flat with this panel, with the existing panel. Now that we have our hole looking like this, we can proceed to patching. Now we can determine where to put this patch. And it covers here. Make sure it's vertical, looks all nice. And then we're going to use some tape. Now the rivets I have been using before are 3/16 of an inch wide right here, and I already have the attachment for that size right here on it. It's the orange one, but you can use different sizes. But for this kind of job, I think 3/16 of an inch is enough.